Good morning. I have got a little treat for you today. I'm back at the Bakour Splash, the brand new 4-star family hotel here in Puerto Del Carmen, because Garreth is going to show us around his room. He got in contact, said, I'm stopping here, do you want to have a nose around the room? And then I'm heading down to Playa Blanca to the MYND Yaiza and stopping there. I said, Garreth, let's do 2 room reveals. Let's do the Bakour today, and then when you're down in Playa Blanca at the MYND Yaiza, let me come down, we'll have a look at that room as well, and we'll do a little bit of a terrace talk. So that is what we're gonna do. Let's go meet Garreth in the Bakour, and then let's go down to the MYND Yaiza. This will be a good video, won't it? Let's go. Right then, here we are. And Garreth and Louise said they're right by the big pool area upstairs. So let's go up these stairs and give them a knock. Room 237, they said. Let's have a look. That looks like this one. Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you, mate. You?
Well, I'm very well. This is lovely. Let's have a little nose in here.
Come on in.
Right then, we're here at the Bakour Splash in Puerto Del Carmen. Guys, introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, my name is Garreth.
And I'm Louise.
Garreth and Louise, and where are you from?
We're from Lancaster.
Fab. And you're going to show me around this beautiful, swanky apartment. It's brand new.
We are.
I love it. Right, let's go. Right, so where are we going to start?
So we'll start this way, follow me. So when you come in, you've got storage, great for suitcases, or little children in the naughty corner maybe. In here we've got a fridge. It's a mini fridge, but it's
you've got plenty of stuff in there.
stocked to the rafters, yes.
Did they stock that or did you stock that?
No, we went shopping and we did that. So when you first come in, they leave you a bottle of water.
Yeah.
The kettles here, they've got tea and sugar.
Yeah.
They give you paper cups because they're trying to be eco.
Okay.
You can pick more up from reception in the bar area. Also, which is great, it's a microwave convection oven with a grill. Which is great for warming anything up. So this area here we just use as a snack area.
So you've got a little bit of space to put all your snacks and a little fridge to put all your drinks as well.
Yeah, and this area as well is really good. You've got 4 sockets here, which is good. This place is full of sockets.
Which is good because loads of people need to charge stuff, don't they?
Brilliant, absolutely. This is the point for your aircon as well. It's all snazzy, fancy. Plenty of settings on there as well, so you can really put it up. Wow. 16, and it's cool.
It really is brand new, and you can see the aircon up there. Is it super cool?
Absolutely, yeah.
And it's got that sort of new hotel smell, hasn't it?
As soon as we walked in, I was like, yeah, this is brand new.
Yes,
How
I
many people
like
have
it.
stayed in it since
Not many. It's beautiful. Right then, Louise, so this is the bathroom, yeah?
It is, yeah.
Right, well, we can't all fit in there, but I'm going to go and have a look inside. This is swanky as well. So you've got a big rainfall shower, which is beautiful. Oh, wow, it's all very posh and very sparkly, and this is unbelievable. Look at this sink. This is a proper posh sink, isn't it? And did you get all of these like bits and bobs included?
Yeah.
Really? And what's this?
The big ones came, so you get shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and then your hand wash as well.
Wow, hairdryer as well,
hairdryer,
which is always handy. Not for me or you. We certainly don't need this. But the hairdryer, all right, is it? Because the ladies always ask, is it a good hairdryer?
That one is. Yeah.
Well, there you go. And what's this bloody mirror? What does this do?
Sorry, I'm the gadget.
Are you the gadget man?
Yeah.
Right, come on.
So it's a touchscreen mirror, so you can turn it on and off. And also, if you have a very hot and steamy shower, you've got a demister on there as well.
Get away!
All mod cons.
No way! And more plug sockets as well.
More plug sockets just in case.
I'll tell you what, we're plug socketed up, aren't we? Right then, I can see amazing views out there. I love this place. It is already, but I want to swing a right here because I take it that's the bedroom. Right, and so I take it's 1 bedroom.
So you've got 2, and then this sofa is a pull-out bed as well, so you could probably have 1 or 2 children on there.
So 2 adults, 2 small kids.
Yeah.
Right, go on, get in that room, let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
Whoa. Oh, wow. This is really big as well, isn't it? Look at the size of this. And look at the size of the bed.
Massive. I could roll over twice and still not get anywhere.
You could indeed. It is huge, and I love it. You've got a fan in here, loads of storage as well. Look at that. That is beautiful. And you've got it all very well presented.
Thank you.
It's looking amazing. It's looking amazing. Wow, look at that. I love the lights. And then TV there. And I saw a TV in the other room as well. Is there any English channels? Or have you not looked?
I have flicked and flicked, mate, and there is no English channels.
Nothing?
To the point where I've gone that often, the missus has said enough now, they're not going to appear.
There's no English channels?
No English channels.
Oh, okay.
Both TVs are smart TV, so you've got your YouTubes and you can download, if you've got Amazon or Netflix.
Okay.
The TVs have HDMI ports and USB ports as well, I've checked on
There you go. So it's more of a film place. But this bed is just, well, it's spectacular. It's massive. And I like the decor as well. And again, said it before, you've got that sort of new hotel smell to it, haven't you?
Okay, so we've got this fan here. So no aircon in this room.
Yeah.
But we do have the fan, and it is remote controlled, and there's 6 settings on it. So a little press, and away you go. Absolutely fantastic. Each light has a USB port with 2 sockets as well.
So you got sockets and USBs?
USBs in here, which is really good.
And you're a gadget man, I can tell.
Absolutely.
You are a gadget man, I can tell that. Right, I want to have a look out on the terrace. Let's go. Right, so this essentially is the living space, and it's, I mean, there's plenty of it, isn't there?
Yeah, it's big.
And you got another TV in here, but come on, I want you to take me out there. I need to see out there. Let's go onto the terrace. Let's go. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, what a view. Look at this. Wow. So you can literally see all of the Bakour Splash here. You've got a sea view as well, which is a massive sea view. I mean, you've literally got a 360-degree view almost, haven't you, of the sea?
Yeah.
And then you've got the splash pool down there. Wow, this is amazing.
We get sun dust till dawn.
Wow, this is beautiful. And just show you how big this terrace is. It's absolutely massive.
Plenty of room out here.
I am super impressed with this place. And I tell you what, that view is amazing. Is it noisy during the day with the kids and stuff?
It's all right. No, it's tolerable.
Yeah.
If you were after an afternoon nap as well, the room has double glazing, all the doors and windows.
Okay.
So it's really good just to close and put the aircon on, especially if you've got little ones here. So it's perfect. No, it hasn't bothered us.
Amazing.
From about 9:45, the buckets start and they go, and everything gets turned on until 7 o'clock. So the pool's open 10 till 7.
Bloody hell.
Salt water, and it's the splash pools are about knee deep, so they're perfect.
It's a kid's paradise.
Kids' paradise.
But you've also got another pool down there, which is a little bit more quiet and more for adults as well, haven't you?
Yeah, you've got that down there as well, and that's a normal pool. Yeah, to get in there and jump around.
It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Right then, usually we do a little bit of a terrace talk now, but you guys are off to another hotel, aren't you, for a few days? The MYND Yaiza in Playa Blanca. So we may as well do the terrace talk down there and have another little sneaky peek around a room. So we'll see you at the MYND Yaiza. Right then, we're here at the MYND Yaiza in Playa Blanca. So from Puerto Del Carmen all the way down to Playa Blanca, let's have a little nose around the MYND Yaiza room. Let's go. Right then, so here we are at the MYND Yaiza. It's a bit different to the Splash.
Slightly different.
What do you reckon then?
I like it. It's
it's very modern.
A little bit plush, a little bit boutique-y.
Now I've stayed here before and this room is identical to the one I stayed in. So if you've seen the video that I did on the MYND Yaiza, it's literally identical. Even the picture there of the volcano, and it is, with regards to size, a lot smaller than the Splash, isn't it?
It is, yeah. You come in here and you're going from a one-bed apartment with all that extra space just into a confined, smaller space.
Yeah.
But it's still big enough. Yeah,
I mean,
it's
very modern as well, very new. You've got lovely views out there, which we'll have a look at. And then you've got big TV. Now,
absolutely.
Any English channels?
There is. You've got 1 to 5, you've got Paramount, you've got Comedy Central.
There you go.
And also, it's Comcast, so you've got YouTube, it's connected to the internet, it's absolutely got everything.
So that's better than the Splash, because the Splash had nothing, did it?
It did have YouTube, but it didn't have any English channels. So you've got connection to the internet on there and here, but this one offers far more as well.
Right. So if you like lying in bed and watching a bit of telly, which most people moan at if I say that, but I like watching a bit of telly. You've got all that. What's down there?
So we've got plenty of storage in here as well. We've got a little mini fridge.
Perfect.
Now we've nothing in here when we first came in, but we've loaded it up again once again with our beverages, food and drink.
Excellent.
A little bit smaller than the other one.
Yeah.
Safe is absolutely free to use. And then
Fabulous.
once again, you know, I love me sockets, got
Yes.
USB, plenty of plug sockets.
So you've got
around as well.
USBs, you've got plug sockets, you've got everything.
Yeah, the fans controlled by, plugged down by the side of the bed. You've got your little spotlights here at the side of the bed.
Is there a remote control for the fan like the
There
one?
isn't, no.
So you liked your little remote control in the Splash, didn't you?
Just whack it full pedal, turn it down. You've got aircon as well, which is brilliant.
Oh, fab.
This I love. Missed a touch by not putting a backlight in it and lighting it up. That would be amazing.
Yeah,
But that's
I like that. So through there is the bathroom, isn't it? I know
It
this.
is. Yeah,
Come on,
yeah. Cool. Let's
go and have a look.
Hey, up.
Because it's literally right through here. But I did like this. Look at this.
I like how they leave you a nice little note on the mirror
Look at that.
saying "Welcome to the Yaiza."
And it's mod cons as well, wasn't it? 'Cause
Yeah.
the one in the
Touchscreen again, so
I
that'll
don't know.
do the job.
The other one had a little demister on, if I remember rightly.
It did, but you got a socket here, you got plenty
Yeah.
of towels, and then again plenty of storage here.
I really like this. This is very modern.
It is absolutely modern. Yeah, it's
Very
brilliant.
modern. And then storage is behind you. Let's just have a
Let's
look
have
at
a
how much
look.
storage.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so there's plenty of storage as well. So you've got somewhere to hang all your gear. Air conditioning, modern design.
Does the job.
And then here is, if I remember, the toilet and the shower, no?
Yeah, exactly right. So in here we have, if I open it this way, so in here it's separate cubicles for shower and toilet. So walk-in shower,
I do remember
shower
this.
head, and then you've got your body wash and shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, it's like super modern though. I do like the black and grey design. That is nice. And you get some quite posh toiletries in here as well.
Absolutely. The hand wash is organic sage and organic blackcurrant. How about that?
Check that out. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And then toilet there.
Yes, there is. Plain and simple. It's a toilet. Does exactly what it says on the tin.
Right, so there you go. Toilet right there. Right then, so out there is the terrace and the views are lovely. So lead the way. Let's have a little look
Come
out
this
here.
way.
And you're chilling out here as well on this beautiful terrace. And the views are lovely, aren't they? So over there you've got the family side.
Yes, so with that you've got a bar there, you've got the kids play area, 2 pools and slides, and you come over here to the relax zone.
Oh, this is the zone to be in, isn't it? Look at that, with the music playing. That is beautiful. Really nice, isn't it? And there's reception just over there. That is gorgeous. So we are going to have a little chat on this terrace, all about your holidays, all about your 2 hotels, and basically we'll just have a little, what we call terrace talk.
Let's have a chinwag.
Right,
Let's do it.
come on, let's go.